Okay, here what we have today. This is my blue edge, blue and yellow edge. My RCGF 50. It's a 50B. Been flying it pretty rough. Inside of the cylinder looks pretty good. No abnormal wear. Happy with that. It's kind of hard to see, but trust me. A lot of you know that Nellie's 50B broke the end of the crankshaft off before. No big deal. Put a new crank in it and she's good to go. Well, mine's starting to sound like a Singer sewing machine in the air. So I popped the jug off and here's what we got. Mind you, this crankshaft doesn't have like any up and down play, if you will. It's got a little side to side. Not real bad. But now my crankshaft, being that it sounds like a sewing machine, I have a lot more than normal side-to-side play. That's going to the back, to the front, okay? But now also, I have up and down play. That's straight up and straight down. It's probably 1.5, 2 thousandths. I mean, it's maybe even 3 thousandths. So when I run, you hear the sewing machine. And I don't have any metal chunks, which is really good. But if I take and wipe my finger back here, I know there's some back here. Yeah. I have a little bit of bearing glitter. You can kind of see it. Nothing major. Also, I don't have any real bad carbonation on the piston. A little, which is normal. I mean, this is what, 2.5, 3 years of running, so that's to be expected. No big deal. Other than that, crank bearings are good. I've checked them out. You know, no abnormal noise or nothing. But I think I'm gonna end up tearing this motor down, put a new crank. And of course, it comes with the rod. It's like, I don't know, $40. Get a new wrist pin just because I have it apart. And in the meantime, I might put the Rev 55 on this plane. I have to do a little finagling with the muffler, but till then, peace out. I also have some pictures that are going to go with this video too. Later.